Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out on the Tiger and we're heading somewhere pretty special, Ivinghoe Beacon. If you're into big views, winding roads and a bit of history, you're gonna love this one. From Princes Risborough to Ivinghoe Beacon, it's about 20 miles of pure Chiltern countryside. I started on the A4010, then turned off through Bledlow Ridge and Saunderton, picking up some great twisty lanes. From there, I dropped into Wendover, climbed up past Wendover Woods, some cracking views here, then headed towards Tring. After weaving through Aldbury, I took the final climb up to the beacon. It's a mix of sweeping bends, tight twisties and big views at the top, perfect for a chill afternoon ride. So, Ivinghoe Beacon, what is it? Well, it's a prominent hill at the very northern end of the Chiltern Hills, sitting at about 233 metres above sea level. It's part of the National Trust's Ashridge estate, and it's a popular spot for walkers, cyclists, and of course, riders like us. The name Beacon comes from its history as a signal point. Back in the old days, they'd light beacons up here to warn of invasions or to send messages across the country. You can actually trace these signal points all the way back to the time of the Spanish Armada in the 1500s. From up here, you get some absolutely stunning views across Bedfordshire, Buckinghamshire, even out towards Oxford on a clear day. It really makes you appreciate the ride up. And the roads around here? Oh man, perfect for the Tiger. Some nice twisties, some open straights, and barely any traffic if you time it right. Ivinghoe Beacon also marks the starting point of the Ridgeway National Trail, which is one of the oldest roads in Britain, used for over 5,000 years. Pretty wild to think about how many travellers have passed this spot over the centuries. The roads around Ivinghoe Beacon are a biker's dream. You've got some nice sweeping bends through the countryside, mixed with tighter twisties near Aldbury and Tring. Plus, it's usually pretty quiet if you come outside the busy weekend hours. The ride today on the Tiger handled these roads perfectly. Plenty of torque for the climbs, comfortable cruising the lanes. Honestly, this bike was made for rides like this. From here, you've got options. You could head west through the Aylesbury Vale, or drop down towards Wendover Woods for more twisties, or link it up with a ride through Berkhamsted and along the Grand Union Canal if you fancy a bit of variety. So that's Ivinghoe Beacon, stunning views, ancient history, and some brilliant roads to ride. Definitely one to add to your list if you're riding through the Chilterns. Thanks for tagging along today. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments where you think I should take the Tiger next. In the meantime, I think I can squeeze in some more stunning views of around here. So whether you're here for the history, the views, or just an epic ride, Ivinghoe Beacon delivers. If you're local or just passing through, definitely worth adding to your route. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you'd like to see me take the Tiger next. See you on the road.